History of Alimodian. Brief history. How Alimodian got its name. There are several stories that explain where the municipality's name came from. The town's rich past is further proved by folktales, historical records, and legends. Alimodias, a historical account written by Father Juan Fernandez on 1922 in the Spanish Augustinian Historical Archive and Bulletin and translated into English by Eduardo Sorca Arias, cited that the etymology of the word Alimodian was derived from Alimodia or Alimodias, the old Visayan name for Coex lacrima jobi, a grain-bearing tropical plant of the grass family prevalent in the town. It is so called job steers because of the shape of its hard-shelled pseudocarps, which are made by some into necklaces or rosary beads. Halin kamo diyan. The most popular among these stories is the version that appeared in the Anthology of the Origin of the Towns in Iloilo prepared by Mr. Romulo Pangan, a professor of West Visayas State College, Iloilo City. It tells of how a group of Spanish soldiers called upon a native gathering coconuts from atop of the palms about the name of the place. Ignorant of the Spanish language and impatient that we may hit the soldiers with a heavy fruit, the native shouted back, "Halin kamo diyan." The Spaniards, in turn, ignorant of the native dialect, took it as the coconut gatherers' answer, and they called the place Halin kamo diyan. The present name evolved from the phrase. Significant people and local heroes. Kapitan Agustin Magtanong. The founder Magtanong had earlier made his mark as a leader in Bagumbayan. From the hills, he moved southward with his men nearer the river to the present site of Bagumbayan, where Agustin emerged as a leader in no time. Through this dynamic leadership, Bagumbayan experienced an economic boom commendable enough during those times. Alcalde Felix Altura. Felix G. Altura was the Alcalde Municipal of Alimodian before and during the war. It was his greatest ambition in life to serve his beloved town so that he overcame all odds and won the desired post in his third try. He was born on May 15, 1890 in this town to Paulino Altura and Isidra Garay. He completed his elementary education in Alimodian Elementary School and his secondary education in the Iloilo High School. Alcalde Jose G. Alvior. Jose Gregorio Alvior is the sixth child of Gregorio Alvior and Sofia Velez of Mandurriao, Iloilo. He was born on May 6, 1906. Lay-handed, he fought the enemies, killing two of them. However, the other patrol members in other directions fired and killed him on the spot. The Japanese recognized his rank and they even saluted his dead body. Alvior was an outspoken and dynamic town head. He was friend to all and he was very cordial to the masses, so that he was very much loved by them. Geography. Alimodian is a beautiful town packed with great natural and historical attractions. It features amazing sights, views, and landscapes that are surprisingly diverse. With remote upland barangays, rice paddies, tumbling waterfalls, and vegetable plantations. Alimodian is a third-class municipality situated south-central of the province. It is 24.6 kilometers away from Iloilo City. The town is bounded in the north by the province of Antique, in the east by towns of Maasin and Cabatuan, Iloilo, in the south by San Miguel, Iloilo, and in the west by Leon, Iloilo. It has a total land area of 14,480 hectares that is politically subdivided into 51 barangays. Alimodian is populated by 34,408 2015 census on population, Alimodiananons. The town also boasts producing maize, mangoes, root crops, sweet potatoes, legumes, bamboo, coconuts, as well as high-yielding crops such as carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, and strawberries, thus the nickname Strawberry Capital of Iloilo, as they produce substantial amount of strawberries in their strawberry farms. Alimodian is still primarily an agricultural town. Agriculture was most practiced of Alimodiananon because the soil was fertile and large areas of land within the town were used for farming. Other parts of the land are used for residential and commercial purposes. Tiguati or warbler is the municipal bird of Alimodian. It is also known as perching bird, which means it has feet adapted for perching on trees.
It is a small bird with plumage ranging from drab colors like gray and brown to brighter ones like red, blue, green, and yellow. It is known for its thrilling and quavering songs. Culture. Patronal Feast is celebrated every September 22. The town has many festive activities and competitions with a week-long celebration. Himudos Festival is held during the week-long Semana sang Alimodian. It is a tribe dance competition which showcases the history, tradition, and culture of the people of the town. Sinakol is a soft, chewy, delicious tradition delicacy in Alimodian. It is typically made from glutinous rice flour, coconut gratings, and muscovado and washed sugars, steamed and shaping into marble-sized ball of 8, wrapped in banana leaf. Sinulog is a wedding ritual performed by Bukidnon of Alimodian. Karaya is the primary language spoken by Alimodian Nanon. Agoni Hill. Pilgrims, devotees, and tourists from all over the Western Visayas region flock to this majestic hill during the Holy Week to reflect and make the way of the cross. Tratid is one of the great attractions in Alimodian. It is a place for hikers and campers. Also, it has breathtaking view and it is located in Barangay Manasa, Alimodian. Batodungok was one of the best parts of the trek. A very attractive rock formation with amazing views of rock formation, thick forest treetops, and Iloilo's countrysides. It looks quite similar to the iconic Parrot's Peak or Rock Peak of Mount Pico de Loro in Cavite.